Hello, this is CGDI Official. Today, I will show you how to use CGDI A2 to add a new key for the BMW G series BDC2. This is the BMW BDC2 platform, along with all the required devices and adapters needed. You can see the platform is working perfectly. First, we connect the BDC2 platform with CGDI A2 to back up the original data. This step is important so that if preprocessing fails, it can be repaired using the backed up data. Next, we need to remove the case of the BDC2 module. Remember the location of the fuses before removing them. After removing all the screws, we will need a tool to pry this case apart. We take out the motherboard. Then, we install the preprocessing adapter. Connect the adapter to the BDC motherboard, connect the power cable and the other cable to the CGDI A2 host. After the connection is completed, we can start the pre-processing operation. Just follow the operation instructions step by step. This process takes about 10 minutes. Completed. Now, we can add a new key. We should prepare an original working key and a new blank key. We need to check the status of the original key. We place the original key to close the coil, then press key status. Then connect the BB8 adapter with CGDI A2 and collect the original key data. Press Generate Dear Key to generate a new key. Place the new blank key into the BB8 adapter. Select the blank key position. Finally, we need to test the new key if it is working. Perfect. Thanks for watching.